Let's find this alphabet. Where is A? Let's find A. A. A for aeroplane. Now B. B. B for basket. Where is C? C. C for cat. C for cat. Now D. Where is D? D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. Now where is F? Yeah. F. F for fish. Now where is G? G. G for grapes. H. H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. J. 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 J for jug. Now K. K for kite. Where is L? L. L for lion. Now find M. Where is M? M for monkey. Now N. N for nest. Then O. O for orange. Then P. P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. Let's find S. This is S. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. And Z. Z for zebra. Hello. Let's complete this puzzle. Where is A? A. A for apple. Where is B? B. B for ball. Let's find C. C. C for car. Now D. D for dog. Where is E? E. E for elephant. Now F. F for frog. Now where is G? G. G for giraffe. Now H. H for horse. Let's find I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. Now where is K? K. K for king. Now L. L for lion. Now let's find M. M for monkey. Where is N? N for nest. Then O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Where is Q? Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. Now S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. Now U for umbrella. There is V. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. And Z for zebra. A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zebra.